Hi, I'm Dr. Suvarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Is infertility always a woman's fault? This is a misconception, mostly in India, that infertility arises or is caused only because of women's factors. Let's try to understand if this is true. When this data was analyzed globally, it was found that 30 to 40% of infertile cases that come to a clinic are because of female factors, 30 to 40 are due to male factors, and the rest is because of unexplained infertility, as in no reason has been found. So understanding the cause of infertility is very important. In women, it could be related to period cycle, those that are associated with lack of ovulation such as polycystic ovarian syndrome or hormonal imbalances. All these cause infertility. Hormonal disorders such as thyroid disorders or prolactin disorders also can cause infertility. There are issues with the structural abnormalities in uterus which could result in miscarriages or misconceptions or lack of pregnancy or implantation failure, which can cause infertility. A number of other reasons such as fibroids, polyps, adenomyosis, severe endometriosis in the uterus or pelvic areas can cause infertility as well. In women, genetic causes such as Turner's syndrome or Fragile X syndrome can result in primary ovarian insufficiency, which causes infertility. Epigenetic changes which can result from exposure to toxins or malnutrition can also cause infertility in one way or the other, which could be miscarriages or lack of implantation of embryo. In men, there are a number of reasons. We'll talk about genetic reasons first. It could be because of an extra pair of chromosomes or dislocations in chromosomes, translocations which result in azoospermia, or no sperms, or oligozoospermia, which is low sperm count, low motility, low morphology. So all three combined are called as oligoasthenoteratozoospermia. These reasons, in addition to hormonal imbalances or lack of connection between the testis and the ejaculate, as in if there is a lack of vast difference in disorders such as cystic fibrosis, also there is azoospermia. Klinefelter syndrome is also a genetic reason. Varicocele may result in infertility in males as well. Exposure to toxins, smoking, drinking alcohol, over-exercise, use of steroids can also result in infertility. So definitely the causes are bifactorial. It could be in males and females. Sometimes both wife and husband are affected by infertility and both have to be treated for better success. So this misconception that infertility occurs or arises only due to female factors is wrong and has to be addressed properly, especially in our society. To wish to know more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.
A lot of effort has gone into making this video. Please like and subscribe us. Thank you.